His birth anniversary is celebrated as National Mathematics Day to honor the contribution of Ramanujan.
Understand and the topics in maths. We thank you for blessing you have given to us and love to the world. Subtract evils from our lives. Multiply the God's good news, divide your gift and share them to others. Thank you.
Not on 21st. On 22nd December we have to celebrate Maths Day. But tomorrow 22nd, the day was Sunday. Tomorrow is holiday now. That's why we are celebrating Manmohan Singh garu manaki దీన్ని నేషనల్ మ్యాథ్స్ డే గా దీన్ని డిసైడ్ చేశారు. December 22nd ఆయన బర్త్డే. అందుకని అప్పటి నుంచి మనము మ్యాథ్స్ డే ని సెలబ్రేట్ చేసుకుంటున్నాం. ముఖ్యంగా ఈ మ్యాథ్స్ డే సెలబ్రేట్ చేసుకోవాలి అంటే మరి 32 స్టాఫ్ కి 1500 స్ట్రెంత్ కి టైం టేబుల్ వేయాలంటే ఆ టైం టేబుల్ ఎవరికి ఏ క్లాస్ కి ఏ పిల్లవాడికి ఏ టీచర్ కి
జరుపుకోబోయే మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ డేకు రేపు సండే కారణంగా మనం ఈరోజు గ్యాదర్ అయ్యాం కదా. మ్యాథ్స్ ఒకటి నేర్చుకుంటే మీకు అన్ని సబ్జెక్టులు ఈజీగా వచ్చేస్తాయి. ప్రతి సబ్జెక్ట్ లో మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ అనేది ఈ 4 ఆపరేషన్స్ అనేవి ఉంటాయి. మీరు ఒకసారి ఆలోచించుకోండి, ప్రతి సబ్జెక్ట్ లోనూ మ్యాథ్స్ కలిసి ఉంటుంది.
Why we have to celebrate Maths Day? Don't tell that it is Ramanujan's birthday. That everyone knows. Can anyone? Why we should celebrate Maths Day particularly? Can you say any other subjects which we are celebrating particular day for that particular subject? Already we have celebrated that. Hindi Day, very good. Next, Telugu Day. Next, Science Day also there. When we are celebrating Science Day? February 28th or 29th? 29th, right? 28th, right. How to apply the subject, that particular topics, that particular subject in your daily life? You have to know that. So for explaining all these things,
learning maths is fun. Learning maths is fun. Maths is queen of sciences. Maths is queen of sciences. Maths is always true. Maths is always true. Addition, subtraction, multiplications and division are interesting topics. I love my maths. And I am proud of its speed and accuracy. I shall always try to solve all the maths problems. I shall learn principles, formulas and all sums with respect.
I request Habiba ma'am to solicit Janaki. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Correction. Whenever we get, we always add. If we lose, we subtract. It's necessary in our life. Without it, it difficult to serve. Thank you.
Kirtana. Geeta Sri.
Look here.
Shruti. What is your name? Your name. What is printed here? That's why I didn't come. Sri Shika from 7th class. 32 problems. And she is in third thought. Same 32. From Indira. Now from he has 4 winners of next 7th class. So now I read next 4th. Good.
IBN software. This is symbol of multiplication. Division. It is the symbol of division. We use it to
Okay, thank you for everyone. Now, all of you stand up.